I'm testing the video lecture. This lecture is about diodes. The first thing is the picture of the diode. There are many different types of diodes. This is just one example of a physical picture of a diode, and this is the electrical symbol. This is the symbol that we normally draw in the class. And the diode has two terminals, one anode, which is the positive side, and one is the cathode, which is the negative side. This picture in the middle represents the physical characteristics of the diode, which is what I'm going to talk about first. You see the letter P and the letter N. P represents a P-type material, and N represents an N-type material. P-type material, the charge carriers are positive holes. Let me explain what I mean. Imagine that you have 3 holes, and each of these holes has a positive charge. And imagine over here you have a charged particle with a negative. Suppose there's a wall here. Well, the charged particle cannot go through the wall. However, there's a hole. So what the charged particle can do is that it can go into the hole and bypass the wall. So instead of trying to go through the material directly, it just hops through the holes. And by hopping through the holes, it can get through the material. This is the nature of P-type material. So we say the charge carrier for P-type material are the holes, because it carries the charge through the material.